Hi Petals, it's Dee Flowers. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of the Morphe 35v Stunning Vibes Artistry Palette, and we're going to do some swatches as well. This isn't a new palette by Morphe. It's been around for a little while, but I saw it on their website and they had a special offer, so I had to have it. So let's crack it open. Hey Morphe babe, this palette is the one. These deeply pigmented, beyond creamy shades for your eyes and face create looks that will turn heads and stop hearts. So this is the front, this is the back. Oh wow. This is what the palette looks like on the inside. Loving the colours. There's the sheet with all the names on the inside as well. I get the impression a lot of people don't like these. I think they prefer to have them written on the palette, which I can see how that would be helpful when you're doing YouTube videos, because you can quickly tell people what the different shades are. I don't mind it so much. At least you've got the names. So I picked up my palette from the Morphe website and they had a special offer on at the time, which was £15, which is amazing. The usual price is £24, and I've just seen that Boots have started selling Morphe products, and this palette at the moment retails for £23, which is amazing value for 35 shades. So you've got a mixture of warm and cool matte and shimmer tones, and it's definitely giving me autumnal vibes. So the shimmer shades in this palette are beautiful, and I'm really drawn to a couple in particular. There's this one at the top here called, fuck knows, Three Little Words, and also this one at the bottom which is called Crush, and they are absolutely stunning. I can't wait to swatch these, and I'll be really interested to see how they come out. So the way I'm going to do the swatches is I'm going to start at the far left hand side. I'm going to come down each row and then move along to the next row until I go through the whole of the palette. So these are the swatches for the first 17 shades, and this is my first time doing swatches, and it's harder than they make it look on the YouTube videos. So I'll read out the names starting at this end. So we have Knockout, First Date, Shameless, French Kiss, Polished, Swipe Right, Go Nude, which is extremely light, you can't even see it very well, Scandal, Swoon, Private Party, Three Little Words, which I love, it's kind of got gold flecks in it, Lust, Vixen, In the Zone, Spice, which again is amazing, look at the pigment, Risque, and Heartbreaker. Turned On, Wild Thing, Heat, Seduced, Tell Me More, Tryst, Addicted, Bad Boy, Room for Two, Hit It Off, Rendezvous, Fling, Crush, Devoted, Ride or Die, Stud, Tantalizing, and Little Black Book. I really like this palette, especially the shimmer shades, which are really creamy and have a rich colour payoff. Some of the matte shades required building as they were a little bit patchy, especially the darker shades, but the majority of them were really good, and I'm really excited about creating a look with this palette, and I'll bring that to you soon. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments down below which is your favourite Morphe 35 palette. Thanks for watching. Bye.